Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are well and watching my video on YouTube maybe. So today I will show this iPhone. This is iPhone 6. You can see the model number A 1586 1586. This is the problem in back camera, this one. So today I will replace this camera flex inside. So this is iPhone 6, normal iPhone 6. So let's do it. I hope you are watching my video and subscribe my channel. So let's start to how to replace the iPhone 6 back camera replacement. So let's do it. Let's start. So first remove the first you power off the iPhone, and then you remove the pentaloop screw of this screwdriver. It's 0.8 the numbers. So this is the pentaloop screw. This so you use this blade very carefully. And remove this. So first you remove the battery of this metal plate. Remove the battery connector. Yes. So then you remove the LCD flex. Camera flex, touch flex. This is off or separate. So take a side, put on a side, and then this is the part of back camera. So open this, that screws. So I remove the flex first. This and then now move carefully. Okay, so this one I remove it, and this is the back camera. So I will change of this one a new camera. So take a slide and then I open this, take this to okay. So it's very easy to remove this, put back camera. So put back the screws. And then this flex, very careful to put back, and then it's finished. So I put the camera, it's fixed. Now you put back on the LCD. So okay, put back on the battery connector, and then this metal, and then the screw. Now it's all done. Put back this screw. First you make sure to the okay. This one is done. So it's finished. Okay guys, now it's finished. Today I will show you before to how to replace the iPhone 6 the back camera, this one, and I will replace it, and now it's working good. It's all done. Okay, so thanks if you're watching my video and some sports, and now you subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, you must hit the like button, and also write some comments in comment box. So next time I will make more videos for other models, and okay, see you next. Thank you.